This is the most expensive Lexus you can get. Look at this button. Reclines my seat all the way down. I'll just take a nap really quick. I'll see you in a bit. Does this not remind you of a first class cabin on an airplane? You have all this leg room here. I love that. If you look down here, you have this storage for your luggage on both sides. Watch, if you want some privacy, now you can't hear the driver, but you can still see him. So if you want more privacy, there's this button here. Watch what happens when I click this. How freaking cool is that? It's frosted glass. Something this car has that not even airplanes have is this awesome little mini fridge. Love that. It has a little remote. It controls this 26-inch screen TV here. Let's turn it on. Now it is in Chinese because this car is only available in Asia. It's not available in the Western world. But these guys here at the Oasis Cars, they have this one available and they can ship it to you anywhere in the world for $200,000. That's either an entry-level Ferrari or 6 of those ugly minivans that the soccer moms drive. Let's have a look at the outside. This is the Lexus LM300h. It is a hybrid. I do like the grille though, this chrome grille. It's called the spindle grille. And I do like these chrome rims right here. All right, let's look at where the chauffeur would be sitting. All right, let's take it for a drive. Get in. Look at how massive this screen is, and this is all a big rear view camera here. Spin. Wow, this drives very smooth. This car has about 197 horsepower. It comes from a 2.5 liter hybrid engine. So it's not very fast, but you wouldn't be driving it to begin with. It'd be your chauffeur driving you around.